guys, it is Demery coming at you live from Des Moines, Iowa, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I know that it's almost over, but that's okay. I've got some hail and snow coming down here in Des Moines, Iowa, so as you're jumping on, say hello. If you're catching me live and see that red live up there, go ahead and drop a 1 for me in the comments and let me know where you guys are watching from. Let me know how the weather is there. Like I said, we've got a little bit of like sleet slash rain slash hail. I don't know. It's not huge hail, but we do have some stuff coming down. So okay, so we are going to jump straight into this super easy recipe. I have been wanting to try this for a while, so I'm super excited for this. I am feeling a little bit of the St. Patrick's Day spirit. This is my only green shirt. It's a little bit of a darker green, so I just threw this on with it. This is actually my first St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I'm tongue twisting myself over here. This is my first St. Patrick's Day working remote, so from home. My job has officially announced that we are staying home, so it was a little bit different. Usually I get to celebrate and we all get to dress up at work and wear our green, and so it was a little different, but I went ahead and jumped in and I was like, you know what, I am feeling it. I am going to be in the spirit. So hi Cheryl, thanks for jumping on with me. Hey Chris. Okay, so we are going to make a super simple recipe, which is 100% keto, low carb, low sugar, great option. And I've actually really wanted to try this for quite some time. So Facebook does, I know there's probably not a lot of you on with me. Hey Chantel, thanks you guys for jumping on. Facebook is shadow banning me, I think is what they call, where basically my videos and even my regular posts are not just automatically populating on people's pages. All my friends, they can't see me unless they specifically go to my page. So I don't know why Facebook is doing that. Do they not like my keto recipes? I don't know. It hurts my feelings just a little bit, but that's okay. So if you don't mind sharing this video out, it does help me a ton, only because that way people can see it when it's shared. They just can't see it directly under my name for some reason. So I do also have a Remind app, which will, if you're not already part of that, I would love to get you added. That way I do kind of send you a message through that Remind app about 5 minutes before I hop on. That way you kind of have a general idea. That makes it a little easier for, well, being shadow banned. So if you want to be added into that, just drop Remind in the comments and I will get you added. Hey Christine, thanks for jumping on with me, girl. We are making something green for St. Patrick's Day today. I'm feeling my spirit. So, all right. So I want to know in the comments, and let me know, how many of you guys have tried the Mcdonald shamrock shake? How many of you tried? Anybody? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure everybody probably has, right? Let me know what you think about it in the comments. It was one of my favorites. Of course, I have not had it for a few years, actually, believe it or not. I know that it only comes around during a certain time, and I've really tried to stay keto or low carb for the most part. So, you've never tried it, Chantel? Never? Oh my goodness. Christine, no? Okay. Well, do you guys like mint? Let me know. Do you guys like mint? Hey, Joy, thanks for jumping on with me. We are making like a shamrock shake today, but keto style, so I'm super excited for this. Yeah, let me know. You've never tried it either, Cheryl, or you don't like mint? Oh, you do, Chantel? Okay, good. So this is, a shamrock shake is like a mint shake, right? Okay, so we are going to use almond milk, okay? I get unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can use original almond milk, whatever kind of almond milk works best for you. I think I'm gonna eyeball the amount. It says about a cup. Maybe I'll pour it in this first. I don't know. But what I wanted to tell you guys, for those of you who have tried, and even if you're catching the replay, drop hashtag replay. Hey Jessica, thanks for jumping on. We are making a healthier version of a shamrock shake from McDonald's. So, and I've got it written down here. The original shamrock shake, if you get like a large from McDonald's, it is over 800 calories and it is over 100 grams of carbs. 100 grams. That is a lot. So if you follow a keto or a low carb diet of any sort, you probably know that 100 is like way, way over your macros, okay, for the day. And I'm more of a lazy keto, low carb, so I usually try to stay under 50 grams of carbs. I'm not strict keto, so I don't do the whole 20 grams. Sometimes I do. It just kind of depends on the day. But over 100 grams of carbs, that's crazy, okay? So we are going to switch that up. What's going on in there? You clapping? Oh, my husband's in there clapping with him. Okay, so we're going to start with our almond milk. And I don't think I'm going to do a full cup because I have like a little blender here. We have a mini oven, we have a mini blender, we have mini everything in this house. And then this is what I'm going to use. And let me know in the comments, have you guys ever tried this? Rebel ice cream. You can get it from Walmart. This one you can't get from Aldi. I know that Aldi does have some brands. A different brand. I don't know exactly. But let me know in the comments if you. Thank you so much for sharing, Jessica. I am shadow banned. If you're just jumping on, Jessica, people cannot see, like, my Facebook posts and videos are not like populating automatically unless they did. Did it pop up on your page? Let me know, because maybe Facebook, it's some sort of Facebook jail that I'm in. I don't know. So if you just randomly saw me on your page, please, guys, let me know. I'm trying to figure out what on earth I did wrong, because I don't know. Do they not like my recipes? Let me throw this away real quick. I thought my keto kitchens were pretty yummy, but I don't know. Okay, so we are going, this is the mint chip, if you can see that. Thank you, Chantel. I appreciate you, girl. So mint chip. Now this is not, you guys, please no fighting. I'm trying to do a live here. My dogs are fighting. They fight like children. Please, calm down. Chris, get your sons. This is not actually green, if you can tell. There might be a little, nope, it's white. So, and mint I know is typically not actually green, but we are going to add a little bit of green food coloring because I want it to be green. So we're just going to put this in here, and this, you guys, has 4 net carbs per pint. Okay, so if you were to eat this whole pint, and let me know in the comments, you were locked out of your Facebook account. Uh-oh, Christine, did you get in jail, girl? Facebook jail? I don't know, I guess it's the thing. Okay, so this has 4 net carbs per pint. That is crazy. I'm going to use a half a pint in this, so that's only 2 net carbs. And did anybody say it was in your notifications? Awesome, Jessica. That is good. Maybe I'm popping back up. A couple people had told me that I wasn't populating in their notifications anymore, and I'm like, well, what did I do? Okay, so I am putting half of this in here. Well, spilling some on the counter, of course. Let me grab a napkin real quick. Okay, there we go. And yeah, so let me know. Have you guys tried the Rebel at all, the ice cream, or what keto-friendly ice cream have you tried? I'm not going to lie, this is a little bit expensive, but if you were to go to McDonald's, right, and get a large shamrock shake, then it would be, I don't know, like, I think like $3.69 or something, like $3.99 maybe. This is $5.99 for this whole thing, but I'm making 2 large shakes, I would imagine, out of this, okay? And this only has 220 calories in half of this, right? So 660 in the whole thing, but I would never sit there and eat the whole thing. I probably won't even finish this large, what? Oh. But, so 220, and then the almond milk has, in a full cup, which I'm starting with the half a cup, has 30 calories, okay? So we're at 250 calories versus the shamrock shake from McDonald's is over 800. And then carbs, I don't even know if I need a full one. We'll start with a little bit. We're testing this out together. Did I already cover carbs on? Yes, I sure did. Okay, so 4 total, right? So half of it would be 2, and then there is 1 carb in this almond milk. I know some almond milk, I think the Silk brand has 0 carbs, so this is just an off brand, which does have 1 carb in a full 8 ounces. I'm not even using that. So really, you guys, there's going to be 2 net carbs in this shake. So it is going to get loud for just a minute here. I apologize. You know what? I almost forgot the most important part. The green food coloring, because we want to make it green, and hopefully this isn't too much. Probably just a little, what?
Not too much.
I know. He said not too much. This is actually came in like my pastel colors, I think, which is weird because it's not really a pastel color, but I'm wondering if that's a little bit more teal. It looks dark when I dropped it in there, but we'll see what color this turns out. This is what we just had, so let me go ahead and mix this up. You guys see it? Okay. So yes, that is totally more of a teal kind, but actually, you guys, look at that. Can you see it with the light? Here, I'm gonna pour it in here. And that was perfect. I did not even use half of a cup. So 4 ounces, I probably used maybe 2.5 ounces of almond milk. And I will put the recipe that I used to make this in the description just so that you guys have it. Let me find, well, I'm losing my mind over here. Okay. And then we'll take this spoon. Can you guys see that okay? It looks delicious. And this is nowhere near a large, so really if you wanted like a full large one, you'd probably want to use that whole pint because this is half the pint. And you guys can really put the almond milk in as you want. Like, some people like their shakes thicker, other people like it thinner. It's totally your choice. That's the best part about making your own from home. But let me know in the comments, do you guys like easy recipes? Because how much easier could this really get? And I actually looked up before I went live with this recipe, or before I decided on this recipe, I was looking up some keto-friendly shamrock shakes, and there was a few other recipes. One called for like cream cheese, which was kind of strange, I thought, but it might be good, I imagine, once everything comes together. So if you're interested in trying any other of the recipes, I just use Pinterest or Google, and it'll pull up. And then, of course, we need some whipped topping here, which the whipped topping, this was in the freezer section. So she's a little bit frozen, but that's okay. Okay, and so this whipped topping, this is just an off-brand from my local Hy-Vee, but this one has, in 2 tablespoons, which that's probably about what I used, there is 1 gram of carbs in there. So there is a little bit in this, but if you are a strict keto, you can always, always, always do your own. So Aldi's ice cream. Yes, Christine, what is the Aldi brand ice cream? Is it this? I didn't get this from Aldi's. But this is the other one that I thought about trying, but Rebel is my favorite so far. So I've tried Halo, I've tried the one from Aldi. I don't mind the one from Aldi. I don't know, is this Enlighten the same thing from, I really don't know. This one I just happened to find at Hy-Vee when I was just there. I literally just got back from the store, so that's why they're still so frozen. But I found it in the same section that I got Rebel. I've tried Halo before, and I don't really like the Halo one as much. So Rebel's been my favorite so far with like the creaminess. But I am going to try this, and let's just try it while we're on here. I'll let you know. Well, I'm of course going to try the shake. I already know I'm going to love that. But I'm going to try this kind because this is, if you guys can see it, Enlightened Keto Collection. 1 gram of carbs per serving. 4 servings. So same thing. 4 net carbs in a total, in a whole thing, and then 4 net carbs and a whole thing of Rebel. So that's not bad. I'm going to just try this. This one actually is green. Can you guys see that? So that gives off a little bit more of the color. I'm going to try it. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good too. Oh my goodness, it's very good. It gives a little bit of that weird aftertaste. What is it sweetened with? Monk fruit. Is that the only, and erythritol's in there. Okay, so it's got some really good sugar substitutes, but let's go ahead and try this real quick. See, Rebel 100% is the best keto-friendly ice cream. Okay, so that wasn't supposed to turn into like a battle of the taste test between ice creams, but it kind of did because I found it while I was there. But here is my Shamrock shake. You can even see the chocolate chunks in there. Super delicious. I highly recommend that you guys do this. If you don't have the ingredients on hand tonight, make it another day. It doesn't have to be on St. Patrick's Day. So if you do, just let me know. If you're not already part of my recipe group, go ahead and drop group in the comments. I'll get you added. Tons and tons and tons of recipes. I'll let you know tomorrow when I go. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me know. Get back to me. Message me, girl, and keep me updated because, yeah, I was curious about that brand. I hadn't been to Aldi's in a while, so. Okay, well, I hope that everybody has a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Again, I am shadow banned on Facebook, so if you're just jumping on, if you don't mind sharing this video out, it would help me even more than it usually does, just because people can see it from you sharing it over just my page. So I appreciate each and every one of you. If you did make it to the end, if you can drop VIP in the comments for me, that way I know who my true supporters are. And if you want to be added to my Remind app so that you get reminded every time I go live, I will get you added. Drop Remind in the comments. I hope everybody has a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.